coronavirus now in cases. They are rising in 36 states, 10 of them now breaking records when it comes to hospitalizations.
And as ABC's Zareen Shah reports, the world's biggest hotspot is our neighboring state of Arizona, where 1 out of every 3 people being tested are positive.
It's the epicenter of the coronavirus, now home to the globe's highest rate of infection. In Arizona, scenes like these, 3 generations of one family parked in a long line just after midnight, desperate for testing.
Is it worth spending a night in a car with an 80-year-old? Yes?
I say yeah.
Arizona's governor, who had not given a public coronavirus briefing in over 9 days, speaking out today, signing an executive order to reduce indoor dining to less than 50% capacity.
I also want to emphasize that you are safer at home.
Kentucky's governor also putting new mandates in place, requiring everyone in the state's public spaces to wear a mask starting tomorrow evening. Dr. Anthony Fauci with even harsher suggestions. In an interview with 538's Podcast 19, saying some states should look at shutting down.
Despite the guidelines and the recommendations to open up carefully and prudently, some states skipped over those and just opened up too quickly. Certainly Florida, I think jumped over a couple of checkpoints.
Florida, according to the New York Times, with an astonishing 1,400% uptick in average daily COVID cases compared to when they reopened roughly 2 months ago. Patients facing intense physical challenges and emotional ones.
One of the worst feelings of being there is seeing these patients fight for their lives and not having their families near them.
Some hospitals running out of places to even put those patients fighting for their lives. Texas Medical Center at 105% capacity. And Texas's governor saying the numbers will look worse going into next week. President Trump, though, still painting a different picture than the data or his top infectious disease expert.
We have among the lowest mortality rate anywhere in the world.
But as a country, when you compare us to other countries, I don't think you can say we're doing great. I mean, we're just not.
California today with its highest daily death toll, 149 lives lost. Officials urging people to wear masks, fearing a double tragedy that people could pass the virus on to firefighters right as we approach this critical fire season. Zareen Shah, ABC News, Los Angeles.